In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your LinkedIn account to Facebook. Before we dive in, I want to quickly remind you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so you never miss out on any of our helpful tutorials. To get started, you'll first need to open up your Facebook profile. It's that familiar place where you share your thoughts and updates. Once you're there, look for the option to edit your profile. This option is generally quite visible on your profile page, so you shouldn't have any trouble spotting it. Go ahead and click on the Edit Profile button. Now that you're in, scroll down the menu until you arrive at the bottom. Here, you'll notice an area labeled Edit Your About Information. Give that a click. Once you're in the About Information section, continue to scroll until you encounter the Contact and Basic Information tab. Click on this and you'll find yourself in a new area with a category called Websites and Social Links. Adjacent to this, you should see a pencil icon. This icon is your gateway to editing. Click on it to make the necessary adjustments. Once you've accessed the editing mode, search for the option to add a new social link. This part is relatively straightforward. Look for a button that says Add a Social Link. Once you click on it, a drop-down menu or list of options will appear. Here you can select which social platform you want to link. Scroll through and choose LinkedIn. Now here's an important aspect. You'll need your LinkedIn username for the connection to be successful. So let's take a brief detour over to your LinkedIn profile. When you arrive on LinkedIn, your task is to locate and copy your unique username. If you're uncertain as to where this is, remember it usually forms part of your profile URL. Once you've got it copied, make your way back to Facebook and paste your LinkedIn username into the appropriate field. It's crucial to double check for any potential typos, as accuracy is key here. Once you're confident it's correct, simply click Save to confirm your changes. With everything neatly saved, return to your Facebook profile just to confirm that all is indeed in order. You should now successfully see your LinkedIn account displayed among your connected social links on Facebook. And with that, you've bridged your LinkedIn presence with your Facebook account. It's as simple as that, and now you're all set. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy tutorials just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope to see you again in our future videos.